No. So obviously you know how to make beef, but like, you know. Frying 101. For the dip you obviously need some cream cheese. For the dip you need cream cheese, well, for any dip. Softened, yeah. You can go with the light dip, or you can just keep it out. And what I do with pizza dip is I get the pizza box, like homemade mix, and I get the spices that you put like on the pizza, and I put it in the cream cheese dip thing. And then a bit of the cheese mix. I also put that in. Not all, because you also, like I put it on the cheese layer as well. I just put about that much right here. And mix it. You can fold it or just mix it like this. But you do that because it gives like just a, you know, spice taste, and you do get a bit of the Parmesan cheese in it. Now I also put a bit of the meat, not a lot, but I put a bit in the actual dip base. So obviously you will want it cooked. Now you want to mix it very well in.
Sausage meat.
Make sure you take the Italian sausage out of the casing before you put it in, because I mean it's pretty annoying to do it if you have it in the pan and then. So I mean, depending on what you want on your dip, you can have peppers, pineapple, you know, whatever. I put it's a meat pizza dip, so I put hamburger, sausage, and you know, salami and pepperoni. Your peppers or whatever should end up looking like that, depending on what it is. You can have red peppers, green, and yellow. So after frying the beef and the sausage, here they are, and then here's the dip. Pepper, salami, and pepperoni. Now I'm gonna put a bit of the beef and sausage in with the dip. So it depends on how much you want, but I usually take 2 scoops of each. So there's the beef. It's hot. And here's the sausage. Now once again, you can mix it however you like. I know it looks like a barf, but you know. Oh, that sound though, eh? That was maybe a bit too much, but you know what? It's still gonna be good.
Okay, it's on.
So now you have to put the actual main in the bowl. Now, since I used a bit too much, it looks, it's gonna be a bit thicker. But you do put it in here and then you spread it like you do with a casserole. Now the meat will make it a bit, you know, harder to spread evenly, but you do that. And then to do this, like I said, I always get the homemade pizzas. I use the spices, the Parmesan cheese, and the pizza sauce. Okay, now you just put this. I mean, you can put it after the cheese, but I always put it before. You do the same thing you did. With this, it doesn't matter if, like, you know, it gets mixed in. And then I think you guys remember
cheese.
How I also put a bit of cheese here. Bit of Parmesan. Doesn't matter how you want it. There's that. And then now you put a bit of cheese. I'm using Kraft, no free brand deals, but you know, hit me up, Kraft. You can put as little or as much as you want. I like cheese, so you know, I put a lot. Once again, you can do it however you like. I'm gonna put sausage first. And then I'm gonna put a bit of beef, not as much. Now it's good for some pepperoni. Looking like I cut way too much, but you know, the more the merrier. And now some salami. And that's it. And then now you, oh, no, I almost forgot the peppers. Actually, yes, I did forget two things. Now that's it. Now you go and put it in for 350 in the oven, and then you're set. And I forgot to say how long you put it in. You put it in for 20 minutes. This is the side view. I mean, most of the time you should see the main dip, the pizza sauce, and then the top. However, you know, don't think you can see it completely.